This lesson is about learning how to apply the power rule to exponents. We're going to talk about the steps involved in applying this power rule to exponents, and we're going to use those steps to answer some examples. How do we apply the power rule when dealing with exponents? First of all, we're going to multiply the exponents together, but you have to make sure that you have a common base. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to have an exponent with a base, and then we also have an exponent we're going to have an exponent outside as well. So if you have something like this, a to the power of x, this is your exponent with your base, and then you have an exponent outside, which is y. This is going to be a to the power of x multiplied by y, which is a to the power of x, y. So let's go ahead and apply this concept to some examples. So we have p to the power of x to the power of 6. So this is going to be p to the power of x multiplied by 6, which is p to the power of 6x. The next example, 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 9. So this is going to be 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9, which is 4 to the power of 18. We have 5 to the power of 3 to the power of 8. So this is going to be 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 8. Or you could write it as 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 8. It depends on which one you prefer, which is 5 to the power of 24.